This includes sending nuclear power to the moon. There is a sunlight problem up there that needs to be solved, and nuclear energy is the only way to do it. The day and night cycle of the moon is a lot longer than what we know on Earth, so the Artemis base will experience 2 weeks of continuous sunlight, but then it will be plunged into another 2 weeks of darkness. During that time, the temperature will drop below negative 200 degrees Celsius, and without a source of heat, all of the hardware will freeze solid. That tends to be really bad for electronics, and they typically don't come back to life when the sun rises again. So NASA is going to experiment with radioisotope thermal generators. Basically, you have a radioactive element like plutonium that is actively decaying. That process naturally releases heat, and this heat can be captured to prevent assets on the moon from freezing solid. What kind of assets are we talking about here? Well, NASA has a radical new idea for exploring the moon: rocket drones. They call this new vehicle Moonfall. It's based on the Ingenuity Mars helicopter platform, but instead of propellers, it uses small rocket thrusters to move around. Each drone can fly for 150 seconds in one hop and cover up to 50 kilometers distance. They are going to use these to explore dangerous and hard-to-reach locations like tops of mountains and edges of deep craters. During Phase 1, NASA will also deploy their Viper rover. This is a golf cart-sized vehicle that is already built, tested, and has been waiting for a ride to the moon for years. 2027 will finally be that year. Viper will arrive at the moon on a Blue Origin lander. Once there, it's going to begin mapping the South Pole region for confirmed signs of water ice and other volatile materials like hydrogen, oxygen, and rare earth metals. NASA considers this to be lunar prospecting. Establishing the locations of these resources will be critical when Phase 3 comes around. Viper will be joined on the ground by 2 lunar terrain vehicles, one to be driven by the crew members and one that drives autonomously. Each rover will be able to cover up to 900 kilometers of the lunar surface, and beyond just exploration, they'll be used for work purposes like moving equipment and leveling ground for new construction.